just been told to love myself.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Finally the rain has stopped and I can come out to the garden and do some gardening. I'm up here on the rooftop and I'm just going to check on my tomato seedlings just to see if they need any watering. So I'll just show you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They don't need any watering. There's one that's just come up now. My plan of action this morning is to at least prepare 4 pots before the end of the day. So whilst it's still it's a bit sunny outside and whilst it's not raining, I'm going to get to my pots. I'll just give you a look around the rooftop. These are all the pots that I have to do, and it's looking pretty sham at the moment, but I've got my lavender here, I've got another lavender there, I've got some rosemary, and I've got a rose bush there that needs tending to. My tomatoes I keep in the incubator, but they don't need any water. One plant growing there, and I've got mint growing here as well. I've just zoomed in. Oh, I've got a bee. My father's swing. I'll just take you a look around these pots. It's been so wet, and I'm going to do these pots today. Well, that's 1 pot down and I've got another 3 pots to go today. If I can manage to do about 4 pots a day, then by, say, the end of September I should be right for transplanting. But as you can see, it's pretty overcast today and it looks like it's going to rain. So I'm going to push on and finish these next 3 pots. So if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed watching me, just mix up some dolomite and blood and bone in my vegetable pots. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click on the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. There's a lot of pots to deal with, so I better get cracking before the rain starts. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.
The key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit, wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit.